Alright folks, let's dive into a common myth that's been floating around for ages. Is the Great Wall of China visible from space? This question has intrigued many and sparked countless debates. You've probably heard this claim before. It's one of those facts that gets tossed around in trivia games and history books. But how accurate is it really? Let's break it down. First, let's consider what it means to be visible from space. When astronauts are in low Earth orbit, they're roughly 250 miles above the Earth's surface. From that vantage point, they can see large geographical features, continents, oceans, and even some major cities at night. These features are massive and have a high contrast against the Earth's natural landscape. But the Great Wall of China? Not so much. Here's why. The wall is long, stretching over 13,000 miles, but it's incredibly narrow. On average, it's about 30 feet wide. To put that into perspective, it's like trying to spot a human hair from across a football field. Human eyesight just doesn't have the resolution to pick out something so thin from that far away. Even with the aid of technology, the task remains daunting. Even with the best cameras and telescopes on the International Space Station, the Great Wall is incredibly difficult to see. In fact, astronauts have confirmed that they can't see the Great Wall with the naked eye. What they can see are the large urban areas, airports, and major highways because those are much wider and more distinct. These structures have a significant width and often contrast sharply with their surroundings. So, how did this myth get started? It's a bit of a mystery, but it appears to have roots going back centuries. Some suggest it was a British historian in the 19th century who first made the claim. It was catchy, easy to remember, and made for a great story. Over time, it just got repeated so often that it became accepted as fact. This is a classic example of how myths can become ingrained in our collective consciousness. In reality, the visibility of man-made objects from space is all about size and contrast. The Great Wall may be long, but it simply doesn't have the width or contrast against the natural landscape to stand out. Its color and texture blend seamlessly with the surrounding terrain, making it nearly impossible to distinguish. So next time someone brings up the Great Wall of China being visible from space, you can set the record straight. It's a fascinating piece of human history, but not one you'll spot from the heavens. Its significance lies in its historical and cultural value, not its visibility from space. And that's the beauty of science, continually questioning and testing what we think we know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more myth-busting content. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating insights and debunk common misconceptions. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep questioning and stay curious.